Stewy and Emery are going to the amazing city of Dubrovnik today. I visited this stunning area a long time ago and have always vowed to come back one day. George Bernard Shaw was enchanted by this city also, about which he said, "Those who seek paradise on earth should come to Dubrovnik." I agree. This is one of the most beautiful places in the world, which you'll see for yourself as we take you on an incredible photo journey. So excited to get to come back. I was here 40 years ago when it was Yugoslavia.
Yeah.
I always wanted to come back. It was always my dream to come back.
So you're dating.
Now I get to come back with Emery.
You're dating yourself, Stu.
I know, but they're going to know how old I am eventually.
Yeah. We're old. There's the gate, the old town. I would say north is that way. Just
I'm
by my
kind of
bearing.
confused where we are.
Yeah.
But as long as we get back here for the last bus.
Yep. So
And it's nice
here.
that Norwegian has shuttle buses to and from the port to Old Town.
Yeah, and it's $15 per person, but it's worth it.
It's
it goes
worth
on your
it.
ship's card.
Yeah.
For sure. And it was actually a lot shorter of a ride than I thought.
Yeah, it was great.
It's like 15 minutes at the
Yeah,
most.
on a nice air-conditioned bus.
Yeah. So we're all about air conditioning right now.
All right.
But just love the architecture here. But it's a madhouse. There's another cruise ship came in. We've had all the ports to ourselves this whole time.
Right, which has been great.
But now, with another cruise ship, and it's Saturday. Which way you want to go?
I don't know, to get in is over there, but
Okay.
I don't know, people are looking over there.
Well, there's something they're all taking pictures of over
Yeah,
there.
let's just look over there and see.
Go see.
Oh, it just looks like the water, though. I don't know if there's anything there.
Let's see. This outdoor cafe. See, these make sense when there's no cars.
Right.
Oh, look at this one over here. How pretty.
Oh, really nice.
Wow. So all the buildings. Wow, look at that. That's King's Landing up there,
Oh, that's that fort. Yeah.
right? That's
Yeah,
it.
That's it.
I think that's why everybody's here.
Right. Maybe it's a Game of Thrones tour.
Game of Thrones tour. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
I've got a story.
Go up to the edge there. Oh, this is the Battle of Blackwater Bay. It's right here. I'm hearing this guy saying.
Oh,
So this is the battle for Blackwater Bay right here. Oh, cool.
Okay. Yeah, that kind of looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Smaller
Now we'll
than
have to
I
go
would
back and watch the show.
Right.
I'm glad we came over to that spot.
Yeah.
So you know what? Now we have to go back, unfortunately, watch Game of Thrones for the third
I
time
know.
to see that. Obviously the kayaks were taken away. There's tours everywhere. Oh, that's a good shot right there.
I
I
know.
want to get that one.
Okay.
Let's go over here.
Okay.
Stewy and I,
Picture of that?
yeah.
Okay.
Stewy and I are going to tackle the crowds. But what's funny is we're listening to the Game of Thrones
Or some of them.
tour people, picking up tidbits here and there. So that's kind of cool.
Okay, going across the drawbridge.
Okay, we're going
I love
across the
that.
drawbridge. So back in the day, this was probably all
know.
filled up with water, right?
Yeah.
Somehow.
Yeah.
Look at these gates.
I know.
And any battering rams and everything else. Been pounding on this. Tourist center.
Get water
The
here.
water, yeah.
Fill your bottle.
I guess it's good enough to drink from.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this cool Irish pub.
You might have to come back there.
Now,
These streets are so cool.
boy, this is like the pub row here. Oh my
Right.
God, look at these cute little places.
Another Irish pub.
Oh
Another
my
one.
God. Another Irish pub.
So if we want to get out of the sun and in air conditioning.
Yeah, and have a beer.
Yep.
We may have to come back down this road
Right.
for lunch. Look down here to the left.
Yeah.
Wow. Unbelievable. Every little
Right.
nook and cranny
I know.
has something in it. Okay, so this is where Cersei Lannister
Right.
had to do her walk of shame. There's the lady in the
Right.
white hat right down there.
Yeah.
She's got a picture and it coincides exactly. It shows that
Right. I thought the
Building
stairs
on
would have
the
been longer. It seemed like she was walking a long time.
I think they made it look like that, you know.
Yeah.
Probably used other stairs, but this is where she first came down and all the crowd was down there
Right.
waiting for her, remember?
Yep.
We'll have to watch that scene again.
Right.
Great. Yeah, and she went down there throwing all the food and everything at her, and
Right. Your little honeys.
those almonds were good for the ride back home yesterday.
Yeah.
There's Stewy. Another gorgeous square. Wow, those are amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
I know, it's so beautiful here.
Everywhere you turn,
Yeah.
there's a view.
And here we have the statue of playwright Marin Držić, considered Dubrovnik's Shakespeare. It's been said that if you rub his nose, it's good luck, and it's a sign that you'll come back to Dubrovnik one day.
Found this wonderful little beer garden back here, off the beaten path, because everywhere else jam-packed. I think that's
Yeah, it's
causing
so
a lot of heat.
crowded.
Is why the
Yeah,
people,
they're so
thousands
crowded
of
here, it's
people.
amazing.
But we just did the walk of shame stairs. That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
And apparently this main drag out here is the entrance to King's Landing.
Right, where they
TV
filmed
show.
a lot, right?
So, but I'm wearing all my Montenegro gear from yesterday. I bought yesterday because we were in Montenegro tour yesterday. And Stewy has her exclusive hat from Tarpon Springs, Florida.
Right.
And but anyway, so we've been buying all kinds of souvenirs and stuff like that, and just having a great time so far. So
Yeah. But I did get this for my new great nephew, who's about 8 weeks old now.
well, let's see. Oh, I got the label stuck in there.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yeah. All right.
There.
Yeah.
There you go.
So eventually he'll grow into this, even though
Right.
this is a onesie.
Right.
And then what else? Oh, I got a
Dubrovnik hat.
Dubrovnik hat because my goal is to get a hat wherever we go, which I kind of like to do.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, perfect. It's cold and it's tasty.
Very tasty.
Where are we? We are at the
Beer garden.
Dubrovnik Beer Factory.
Dubrovnik.
Okay, here we go. All right, well, it costs 80 euros to come onto the wall, which I don't believe is right because every video we watched on YouTube of Dubrovnik, no one mentioned Ping. So I don't know if it's just because it's prime tourist season. We're on top of the wall in Dubrovnik.
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Let's go that way.
Okay. Amazing.
Oh, look at the flowers over there.
So totally worth it. Wow. Yep. Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Turned out to be a gorgeous day after all.
A feature of Dubrovnik is its walls that run a little over a mile around the city and are up to 13 to 20 feet thick in some areas. Just look at these gorgeous views from up here.
It's breezy. I gotta hold on to my hat.
Yeah. Oh, is this the
Over
bar
on
you
this
were
side.
talking about?
Isn't that cool?
Oh, look, they're lying down in this. Oh, they're going swimming. Oh man, I wouldn't mind doing that. Look at that
Wow.
crystal clear that water.
That would be great, wouldn't it?
Yeah, probably where all the locals go.
See, yeah, if we have time, we could do places like this.
Yep.
Wow. That's so cool.
Oh.
I'd feel really good right now.
Yes, it would.
Meanwhile, on this side of the wall.
Yeah.
Here's somebody's private residence, I bet.
Yep.
How great is that? Ah, the breeze feels wonderful.
There's our balcony.
Oh, yeah. We're buying this one right here. Or this one.
Yeah.
I can't believe people actually live here, you know what I mean? This is
Yeah.
so cool. Laundry hanging out there. And some swimming suits. Another big area here. Probably where all the cannons were. All right, we finally found our way down to the water.
Dubrovnik has been the background for various movies and TV series, some of which we've mentioned as Game of Thrones, but also Star Wars, The Last Jedi, and Robin Hood.
Is this where you guys had your drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a nice spot.
Yeah. When we
Look at
come
this.
back and stay here, we're going to eat and drink there.
Yeah, we're gonna stay in a hotel
Right.
inside.
Yep. Or one of these right over here, because I
Yeah.
stayed. We were able to walk there. The other drawbridge is there.
Oh,
We just
okay.
walked our hotel. It's just like right over there,
Okay.
so you could get the view of
Yeah, well, the famous view, right?
right. This is what I was hoping our tenders would bring us, or that we'd dock and come in here.
Yeah, we're a long ways away. Emery got a t-shirt.
At this little market where the bus just dropped us off. Oops,
What
almost lost my
happened?
hat.
Oh. And heading back to the ship, the Royal Caribbean ship behind us is already heading out, you can see.
Yeah.
Tell you what, Dubrovnik, Old Town, we spent our whole time there. Was amazing.
It's
we
beautiful.
walked half the wall only because we got sidetracked with some really cute little bars up there and had some snacks and cooled down because it was hot for us.
Yeah. Which way is he going?
Oh, watch out, we're gonna get run over.
Ooh.
Well, so far the Gem has been a wonderful ship. We
Yes,
haven't
it
shown
has.
you a whole lot of it. We apologize for that. But
Well, you won't have to say that because by the end of the cruise, we'll have shown it.
you think so?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see. It's just showing very little of it, but you know, there's a lot of YouTube videos showing the whole ship anyway, so.
Yeah.
But if you really want to know, what we're doing is showing you what we decided to do on our cruise
Right.
of the shore excursions.
Right.
There's a lot of super active people that are out there hiking, biking, doing all that. That's not us. We're too old. Back in the day, maybe,
Yeah.
but not now. Okay,
Jeez, I keep
signing
losing-
off.